Snapchat's latest updates have introduced powerful tools that can seriously level up your content game. Start by opening the app and tapping the camera screen. This is where most new features are hiding. First, check out the dual camera mode, which lets you record from both the front and back cameras at the same time. It is perfect for reactions or storytelling. Next, tap the smiley face icon to browse the updated lens carousel. You'll find trending AR filters, new beauty effects, and even green screen backgrounds to make your snap stand out. You can also use Snapchat Sounds, which now includes a wider library of licensed music. Just tap the music note icon and add a track before or after recording your video. Another big upgrade is the director mode, where you get pro-level tools like camera controls, a 20x zoom slider, and a more refined editing options, ideal for creators. And don't forget Snapchat Insights if you're a creator with a public profile. It gives you performance metrics like views and engagement so we can improve future content. Once you're done, you can post to your story, send directly to friends, or save the snap to memories. With these new tools, your content can look sharper, more creative, and more professional, all without leaving the app.